184 divided by 2, a super fun math adventure. Hey mathletes, waving hand ready to conquer division. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family for more awesome math adventures. Let's go. All right, let's start this division party popper. We look at the first digit of 184, which is 1. We'll use this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't, so we put a 0 in the quotient. 0 times 2 is still 0. Let's write that down. 1 minus 0 is 1. We're on a roll. Great job, you're doing awesome. Now let's bring down the next digit 8 to join the remainder 1. Get ready for the next step. Here we go with the next part. We have 18 now, so exciting. We brought down the 8, so now we have the number 18 to work with. What's 18 divided by 2? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 9. Let's check 9 times 2 equals 18. Perfect. 18 minus 18 equals 0. We're making great progress. Woohoo, you're crushing it. Keep up the fantastic work. Time to bring down the last digit 4. We're almost done with this division adventure. Last step, here we come. We've got 4 to divide now, you got this. We brought down the 4, and now we have the number 4 to work with. How many times does 2 go into 4? It's 2. Let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, exactly. 4 minus 4 equals 0. We have no remainder, we finished. Amazing job, you solved it like a math superstar, glowing star. We've reached the end of our division journey for 184 divided by 2. High five. And the answer is 92, party popper, we did it. We just divided 184 by 2 like total math pros. Remember, even big numbers can be tackled step by step. Keep practicing, and you'll be a division whiz in no time. That's all for today, superstars. Sparkles, keep shining and keep exploring. See you in the next video on Let's Stud. Bye.